You need the following tools to mix Arbokol 682 pouring grade. Open both tins. Remove the contents of the smaller curing agent tin and place into the base compound tin. Note that the two materials are different colours. Ensure that all the content of the curing agent are removed from the tin so the correct mix ratio is achieved. Clamp the tin in a secure position between feet. Make sure no loose clothing can get in the way of the drill when in use. Using the drill with mixing paddle at a low speed, carefully mix the contents until a uniform colour is achieved. During mixing process, ensure to stop halfway and scrape the sides so the material is mixed evenly. The material will become warmer during mixing. Do not mix too quickly, as this will place additional heat into the mix and speed up the curing process. Scrape down mixing paddle. Once fully mixed, with a uniform colour throughout, the Arbokol 682 is ready to be used.